Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. And today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Trading platform ever called Pocket Option. So first of all, let's set the chart. Let's set the candles. Let's choose them. Just several seconds, please. Okay, so and let's add indicators. This will be ADX oscillator, zigzag, and super trend. So this is enough for us for today. Let's set ADX first. Okay, let's do this like this. Styles. Okay, let it be yellow, green, and red. Okay, save. Now we're ready to start. According to the first trade, we're in the buy zone right now. Super Trend and ADX are telling us the same things. Let's open buy position, wasting our 26 bucks. By the way, for this trading session, I invest my whole deposit in each trade, and I use only short time period of just 1 minute in order to save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So that's why we have invested $26 right now in this trade. So yeah, a very nice trade according to the Super Trend and ADX. Everything is going really nice. We just opened buy position and the continuation of the current growth. So now even zigzag indicator has already confirmed that we're in the buy zone. Okay. Almost done. Almost done, guys. Oh, just look at this nice reaction. We have already made the new local high, and yep, this is profitable trade. We have around $50 on the account and we are ready to move forward. Okay, so now let's find the next currency pair that we're going to trade today, and finally, fuck it. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's check American Express stocks. Here you can clearly see that we're moving in a very straight descending channel. Now, according to the ADX, we are in the buy zone and price is ready to reverse. So that's why let's change our investment to $49. Now, let's open sell position. Let's fuck this chart. Let's fuck it. Because according to the Super Trend, we're in the sell zone, and according to the zigzag, we have just received the confirmation that we're also in the sell zone. I wanna push this price lower and lower, just sit on it face and push it lower. So that's why I have opened sell position, wasting my $49 because I know that my $49 will make the price to go lower. Yeah, it works like this, guys. So okay, now let's just see what will we get from this trade. $49 are invested. We just need to wait for several seconds and see the result of this trade. Okay, my friends, so let's check what will we get. You know, I really like this work because I can work in any destination at any place I want. I'm now currently in Nairobi in Kenya because I have a lot of business here. I don't miss even 1 day of trading. You know why? Because I can easily do this. I can work on distance. I can work distantly at any location I want. So that's why binary options is the perfect opportunity for you if you don't want to sit just at home and you want to work everywhere you want. Okay, so while I was talking, this trade was closed with profit once again, and we have around $95 on the account, and this is amazing. We want to make more, guys, correct? Yes, we're absolutely right. We want to make much and much more, so let's do this. Let's don't waste our time. Fine, so let's check out the CAD. According to the Super Trend, we're in the buy zone. According to the zigzag, we're also in the buy zone. Let's change our investment to $95 in open buy position. By the way, ADX also is giving us confirmation that we're in the buy zone. So 95 bucks are invested. Potential profit from this trade is 182. Okay. So now everything is will be decided whether I will get my money or whether I will be a loser. I'm sure I will get my money. You know, fuck, I need to make a video with a huge deposit. This will look nice. This will look really nice. I need to make the deposit of 100,000 bucks and just, oh goodness, make the bets of 20,000, 30,000. I want to see your eyes when I do this. Okay, it's almost done, almost done. Don't drop, don't drop. Yeah, it was too risky, but we did it. We got our cash from this trade and we have $182. 182 bucks, we have them, and we can move forward. We can make much and much more, guys. So let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's don't waste our time. Let's just fuck this market. Okay, okay, okay. So the price. So here, according to the ADX, Super Trend and Zigzag, we're in the buy zone. So let's do this. Let's open buy position with investment on $182. Okay, guys. So we have opened it. We have opened it. Yeah. Let's open it, and we have already done this. We have already done this. Trade is open and I'm ready to get my cash from it. Because I'm absolutely sure that I will get money from this trade. Yeah. Oh my god, you know what binary options gives you? Opportunity to sing if you even don't know how to sing. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we have 349 bucks. That's really nice. And we can move forward, and if you want to trade like me and get your cash daily, you can easily do this. All you need right now, open description to this video, find the link to my private TG, press on that button for the link, and subscribe to it, because here you will find daily trading signals, daily analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, and here you will be able to take a part in the same kind of online trading sessions and start trading and earning with me online each fucking day and get your cash daily. So don't waste your time, do this and be with me. Link in the description. Well, I have already drawn for you the descending channel, and you can clearly see that we have already hit the up edge on the channel, and we need to open sell position right now, investing our 300 bucks. So, yeah, let's open sell position, because we need to have the pullback reaction from the up edge of the descending channel. I have already deleted it because you have already seen everything. Moreover, according to the super trend, we're in the sell zone. And we still don't have the confirmation from the zigzags that we are ready to grow. We don't have such confirmation, so zigzag is also telling us that we're in the sell zone. That's why, of course, we have open sell position. Everything's very simple. Okay, guys, this trade is also profitable one, and we have 625 bucks on the account. This is amazing. This is really nice. I want to make some more. I want to make some more cash, guys. Let's open Euro half. Here we're moving in the descending channel, and as you can see, we're on the sell zone, so that's why I have just now invested $625 in the sell trade, in the sell position. According to the stupid trend, we're in the sell zone. According to the zigzag, we're in the sell zone. According to the ADX, we're also in the sell zone. So, yep, That's why we have open sell position, brother. Okay, so it's done. It's done. $685 are invested. And this looks really nice. This looks really juicy. Okay, guys, so almost half of the time has already passed. And we just need to hold here for several seconds left and get our cash. So, come on, don't fucking grow, please. No, yes. Yeah, guys, we did it. We have 1,200 bucks, but our day is still not satisfied. So that's why I need to make some more. And you will help me. I don't hear you. Will you help me? Yeah, so you will. Okay, guys, let's do one more trade. Okay, so let's check CHF GPI. And according to this chart, we're staying right now on the strong level of support. However, we're even trying to show the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle. Let's change investment to $1,000. And I guess, no, let's open sell position, yep. Because we failed to show the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle. We just tried to do this, but anyway, we failed. And according to the super trend, we're in the sell zone. According to the zigzag, we're also in the sell zone. And according to the ADX, we're also in the sell zone. So we have a lot of confirmations that we need just to do what? Yep, correctly. We need to sell, and we did it. We sold it. We sold it as fuck. Okay, guys, so just several seconds left. We still have around 200 bucks left on the account as a hedge asset, and 1,000 is invested. Okay, several seconds left, brothers. Several seconds left. Come on, drop. Yeah, buddy, it's done. We have 2,120 bucks on the account. What a nice result. Oh my goodness. At the very beginning, we just had 26 bucks and we now have around 2,200. That's fucking crazy. Guys. If you want to have the same results like me, you can easily do this. All you need is just right now subscribe to my private TJ, link for which you can find in the description. Don't waste your time. Do this right now. Be with me, and I wish you a wonderful, amazing, and profitable day. See you all, and bye-bye.